How to share content from Snapchat. Hi everybody, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure to share content from Snapchat. So if you want to share content from Snapchat, you need to follow these steps. First thing first, open your Snapchat application. Make sure that you already have an account. Now right from the home page, you could go ahead and take a snap. If you want to take a photo, just tap once. And if you want to take a video, you could hold on to the circle and then you could also zoom in and zoom out just like that. Now, what you need to do is, in order to share, you could either share it on story by tapping on it, or you could send it to other user by selecting the person whom you actually want to send. Tap on the send button, and this is how you could share content from Snapchat. Now, likewise, the other way to share content from Snapchat is that you could also share Spotlight. So you could go to the Spotlight section here, and then if you want to share this video or a reel, you just need to tap on this share button and then select the person to whom you want to share. Click on the send button, and this is how you could share content from Snapchat. So that's how it works. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.